my friends, welcome back. I thought I'd take a minute, pop in, say hi, and show you a couple of my art pieces I've had hanging in my office for a while now. This one I made about 3 years ago, and it is one of my favorite pieces, and we'll do an up-close talk about it in a second. But what makes me think about this piece a lot right now is because I just launched on paintpouracademy.com an online course about cells. It's called Cell Magic, and it's all about cells, how to create cells, several different ways, how to find your way in fluid art to create cells, how to make them a little bit more predictable, density of paint, the additives you can do, all that stuff. It's at paintpouracademy.com. It's called Cell Magic. And if you subscribe to my monthly membership, then you can get my class for $15. So go check it out. But for now, let's talk about this piece. I made this piece about 4 years ago, like I said, and it's a 4-cup flip cup. So I filled 4 8-ounce cups, flipped them upside down on the canvas, and then pulled one each time. So I will link the video in the description of this video so you can see how I made it. But I wanted you to see these cells. Look how awesome they are. And a couple of them did get a little muddy down here. Let's see if we can find them. This one I particularly like. It does look a little muddy, but I love how it has rings of color. You can see the blue, the green, the orange, the red. It's beautiful. And then look at these. A couple of them are lopsided, but that was part of the fun. Look at these. They're just dimensional cells. They have lots of rings of color because I did use a lot of color in here. It was awesome. And look at here. And then we can see some lacing right in here. And I just think this piece is so pretty. Now look at here. Looks like a horse to me. Here's the nose, the mane. Oh, I love how this turned out. And then look up here. Some perfect round cells. This reminds me of like a lava lamp. And in this piece, oh yeah, here's more lacing right up here. And right about here is a little bit of crazing. I don't know if you can see it on my camera or not. A little texture difference because I had too much paint sitting right here, but that's okay. I love this piece. I sealed it, hung it up, and it is a joy to look at all the time because of all the different fun things. So we will cover in my online course more about cells, how you can make cells, get a little more predictable, and start having fun with your art. So thank you for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.